Hi. Vinyl records are gaining popularity. I have here a couple of my favorite one. Dave Brubeck Trio with Jerry Mulligan at the baritone sax. Fantastic. And Lucio Battisti, Una donna per amico, a woman as friend. Can a woman be a friend? Perhaps. You need a turntable to listen a vinyl record. Giradischi, Plattenspieler. And the signal it gives is very low. Is comparable with the one of a microphone. You could use a mixer, but it's not the way it works, because the signal is equalized in a manner which is called RIAA, R-E-A-A. So you need a RIAA preamplifier, equalizer and preamplifier, to listen correctly the signal which the pickup reads from the vinyl record. Every vintage amplifier has, most everyone has a RIAA input, the phono input, the so-called phono input. Today we are more habit with high-level inputs, line inputs. Let's make a try today. This video, the topic is to let's listen to a vinyl record using a turntable, of course, feeding the signal into a mixer, into the microphone input, and see how it sounds. Let's get into it. So most turntables have this kind of plug, which is a RCA pin plug, and to adapt it to the jack input of your mixer, one can use this adapter or any other adapter which just makes the same job. Of course, the newer turntables have an output which is already equalized and preamplified. You don't need a microphone input, you can set the sensitivity more lower. This one goes into the microphone input. The jack plug goes into, start with low sensitivity, low cut off, you can insert it later, equalization on flat, and there's the point. You have then to adjust it for RIAA if your turntable has no preamplification, no equalization. If it has preamplification, you don't need to move anything. Then here the left goes to left and the right goes to right, and here start with a middle level. LP is spinning, and now we go here, raise a little. Now the RIAA like equalization, you have to put somehow down the treble and raise the lower, and you have something similar like a RIAA. It's not exact RIAA. The rest is okay. So that's all for now. Of course, best if you buy a good RIAA preamplifier or amplifier which has a RIAA preamplifier and equalization inside. But for now, you can listen it. Subscribe and let me know if it works for you. Ciao ciao!